What is up, guys? For you today, I have a 4-inch BUBBA BLADE Sculpin knife folding. This knife here, I'm excited about. Good little pocket knife, ideal for small size fish. It's got that same grippy feeling, not quite as grippy as the big BUBBA blades that we use, but yeah, here it is. This is awesome. It still has the high carbon stainless steel blade, the thin profile, finger flipper for when you want to flip the blade up. It's got the liner lock, pocket clip, and the G10 texture on the handle. Nice. Oh, and a lanyard hold. That's good, so you don't lose it when you're fishing. Okay, this is what we got. Got this from our friends at American Outdoor Brands here in Columbia, Missouri. That's exciting. They got good stuff. They got it all. All right, let's see. Okay, in the box, you get the BUBBA sticker. Awesome. Love that. Instructions. VIP member. Hey man, that's me. VIP, BUBBA VIP. BUBBABLADES.com. You can see everything they have there. Neat. Look at that. Beautiful. Wish I was there. Anyway, thank you for your purchase. Little thing on their company. All right, now it's what everybody wants to see. BUBBA Blade. Oh yeah, I like that. Feels good in the hand. I don't know, is this more for a left-hander because the clip is there? I don't know. Either way, doesn't matter. Goes in between your fingers and your palm there, so still feels good. Look at that blade. Wow. Beautiful. Strong. Doesn't move. That's awesome. Well, the clip says BUBBA on it, of course. Why not? BUBBA. Carbon blade. Okay, it's got that lock here. Push it in to lower it. Like so. Boom. Nice. One-handed. When you got the other hand on the fish. Cut it. You need to cut it. Very nice. You can just tell this thing was made strong. Good materials. I like it. I'm excited. Should we cut this? See how it works? Oh, wow. Look at that. Hardly any pressure. Wow. Like butter. See if I can do this one-handed. Just coming down barely. Wow. Amazing. Guys, if you're looking for a new pocket knife, even one for fishing, that's your knife. It's awesome. Can't go wrong with BUBBA. Check them out. And as always, thanks for watching. Yassas from Greek Mike.